What if one man could control the flow of heroin from Afghanistan to Europe, amassing billions while evading justice? Meet Kamchy Kolbayev, a Kyrgyz national whose name sends shivers down the spine of international law enforcement. Kolbayev is not just any criminal, he's been designated by the US Treasury as a significant foreign narcotics trafficker under the Kingpin Act. His alleged empire stretches far and wide, involving sophisticated money laundering operations that disguise illicit funds through legitimate businesses. But it's not just about money. Kolbayev is accused of orchestrating violent crimes, including kidnappings, extortion, and even murders. Despite multiple international arrest warrants, Kolbayev's connections with corrupt officials have allowed him to operate with near impunity. In 2011, he was arrested in Dubai and extradited to Kyrgyzstan, only to be controversially released, raising eyebrows about corruption in the region. The stakes for Kolbayev are incredibly high. International scrutiny and sanctions have frozen his assets and restricted his operations. To protect his empire, Kolbayev might resort to cybercrime, hacking databases, deleting incriminating evidence, and spreading disinformation. Kamchy Kolbayev's story is a chilling reminder of how far-reaching and dangerous organized crime can be.